Okay, so here is the damage report, damage assessment. Sorry for lousy light. I'm working in the dark, just some LED light helping me. But here is the thing. This is the main issue. You can see the shorts, all kind of shorts around here. So this bunch of wires was affected one way or another. Shorted to ground, or the power supply, or in between. While this bunch, this group here, starting from here, although sharing the same bundle, they were not affected. So when you go down there, you can see that everything can be splitted very easily, and there is no really need to worry about those. Also in this group, in this area here, everything is still intact. I mean, there are no wires glued in between and so on down there in this area. So basically I have to split all this and to assess the damage and cut the wires and put the bypass on each and every wire, double isolated with shrinking tube and some thermal stability must be ensured and so on. So yeah, this is it.